Hi friends, how are you? In this video, it will show you how to remove anything with shadow in Photoshop. First add your photo. Now make a duplicate for before and after. Select your image, go to select menu, then choose subject for selection. It takes some time. After subject selection, choose quick selection tool for shadow selection. After this, go to select menu, click on modify, then choose expand and expand it. Value of 30 pixels. Now go to edit menu, then choose fill, select content aware, click on OK. Press Ctrl plus D for deselect this selection. For remove unwanted parts, choose spot healing brush tool. Okay, now it looks perfect. Hope you liked it. Please like this video, and if you are new on my channel, subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching. Here is the before, and here's is the after.